How's it going, YouTube? It's Christian. Crisma. Today we're going to be doing the Hot Ones Chicken Bite Challenge. We got all of our sauces right here, including the last dab. And we also threw in some other hot sauces. We're going to start off with the classic hot sauce. Safe today's gonna be a hot one.
Is this supposed to be a punchline? I have no idea.
Fail. Has a interesting smell.
Ooh! My taste buds smelled that just smelling it.
This is the weakest one. Grab your cheeky.
Oh, it's the weakest one?
Yep.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey.
Oh, toady.
Toast. I wouldn't go that deep in
Oh, ready? That already has
spicy.
a pretty decent kick.
Decent kick. Yeah, that's how I would describe it. I got my chocolate milk. Get prepared.
I got mine just in case.
It's white milk.
That's okay. My milk's better. So we even got some questions that were on the bag. I just cut it out. So I lost it for the first one. I found it. So we'll continue on and ask questions as we eat.
Nothing happened.
This one is Los Calientes. This one, I'm just gonna pour on. Who's the most annoying person in the room?
Probably you.
This one right here. I feel that one on my thumb.
These are high quality.
I'm gonna go back to the original real quick.
You're gonna wash down a hot sauce with another hot sauce. Okay.
God, how much more is that here? Alright.
Even a monkey would know not to make another mistake.
Now we're going off the books. We're going to our 4 little hot sauce containers.
Let me introduce. This one's habanero heat wave.
And we have not tried any of these beforehand. Literally just opened these.
Yeah, right. Just kidding.
No believe.
At the edge, babe, because I never use this chicken wing.
Well,
At the edge.
rotate it.
Rotate it.
Which celebrity do you most look like?
I don't know. Some Mexican one.
I've been told I look like Post Malone. I don't see it.
This one's spicy.
Yeah, this one's
good.
whew,
I don't know. Who do you think I would look like?
somebody short.
People always tell me I look like someone they know. But I've never been told I look like a celebrity.
Okay, that's fair enough.
Selena Gomez? I'm just kidding.
She got nothing on you. This one is called...
Okay, Chris, you're gonna have to cut that out because now the Selenators are gonna hang on us.
Damn it. You Gen Z.
Oh, that was just getting worse.
Alright, so we got Red Hot Lava Flow. Hot sauce is this one. My lips are becoming numb.
I'm not there just yet.
Yours has a nice little divot. What's your most embarrassing moment?
I have many. One of them was, I was probably like 9 or 10 years old. I was in church. And I had a little long skirt on. My mom was sitting on my skirt. And then I stood up and it went down. In church.
I've not heard that story.
You haven't?
Nope.
Oh, and then
Just one story is good.
Okay.
One story. Embarrassing moment. Alright. For me, it's gotta be one day I was on my way to work. And, you know, we all got to go at some point.
How did I know it was gonna involve something like this?
We all gotta go. And I made it to work. But when I got there, I realized I showed up with a little bit extra.
Extra of what?
You don't need to know. Needless to say, I went home. I called in. I came back. She was still asleep. When she woke up, she asked, "You didn't go?" "Nope, wasn't feeling good."
You lied to me? Chris, you never lied to me.
I was embarrassed.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Would you have told the story? Oh, and for this one, actually wasn't as bad as the rest of them. This one's probably the most mild out of them all.
Yeah.
So, out of order. This one is Fiery Diablo hot sauce.
Okay, our cupcake feeling.
Alright. Which player would you least want to go on vacation with, and why? We'll just broaden the question. Instead of player, what family member would you least want to go on vacation with, and why?
Probably my brother, because me and him are pretty good at annoying and getting to each other's nerves.
Sorry. It bless you?
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay, so for me, it would probably be my oldest brother. Just because I feel like me and him talk the least. So, no offense to my oldest brother, but my other two brothers, I feel like it'd just be more fun.
Offense taken.
Alright, next one. This one is jalapeno.
Hello.
Ready?
You really dying out there?
I'm sweating.
I literally don't even feel really much of a hunger. I need to hit some ghost pepper in these sauces. This one's not very spicy.
This one's more sweet. Again, fail, out of order. I never got to ask a question. What's a guilty pleasure show you love to watch? I'll answer first.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, you go first.
Now you go first. You insist. You insist.
Okay. My guilty pleasure show, it's not just one, I would say it's like a few. I grew up with, you know, Disney, Pixar movies or whatever, so on Disney Plus they have like the Monsters Inc. At work or whatever, and just shows like that. It's very nostalgic for me, like those shows that are like that, so those have to be part of my guilty pleasure shows to watch.
I'm not much of a movie person, but I really like zombies.
Battery died, sorry guys.
Alright, so like where I was, I really do like the zombie based movies just because it gives me like adrenaline rush and it makes me want to like turn into like Survivor, you know, mode, which is really fun. Secretly, I would really want a zombie apocalypse, but I know that would be terrible. What?
I'm just gonna go that way.
What do you want to kill zombies? That'd be fun.
You ready for the last one? Nah, you.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
Nah, you.
Yes, I mean, this is not for you.
This is the one from the show. This is the Last Dab Apollo. This is the
Apollo.
spiciest. You're Apollo. Sure did.
You put a lot. No, girl.
You want to switch?
No, it's fine.
We can switch. Here, take this one.
No, it's fine.
Take this one.
No.
Your funeral.
Okay.
I'll put more. Wait. Alright. Alright, well, technically, we're supposed to put a little bit extra because it's the last one.
Okay.
So, alright.
Let's do this.
3. Oh gosh. 2.
Sorry, guys. Allergy season. You know.
3,
Let's do it.
2, 1. Oh my god. What's the biggest secret you've kept from your parents? Oh my god.
Wow.
I can do them all until that one. Holy crap.
Our booty holes gonna burn after this.
Can't feel my tongue.
Wow. That was pretty legit. Wow.
Oh, they're for you. Look. She eat the whole thing.
I did. Oh my god. Chris, it hurts. Ah! Bro. I'm gonna have to go to the ER. Woo-hoo! That's some spicy stuff.
Yeah, I just need. That made it worse.
Woo! What the heck?
Biggest secret you kept from your parents.
Ah! She knows everything already.
From I would say, whew, growing up,
Oh dang.
we had an RV. We used to spend the night. I'm dying.
Boy, you had that whole jug to yourself.
You have your chocolate milk.
That don't work. Dang. You put too much.
Woo. Okay, we had an RV. We used to spend the night in it.
Chris, I'm fine, boy.
But we would always, we went outside. We always left. And we wouldn't come back until like right before my parents would probably wake up.
I purposely held that on to myself.
Oh my gosh. I just wanna go cry somewhere. Oh.
Woo! I'm gonna keep my tongue in this jug. No, that's like a 10. A legit 10. These little ones that we took before this don't compare to that one.
Nope. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff down below.
This makes your body hurt.
Yeah. Not a good night. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.